Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok duet delay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue, first what you need to do is open up your TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're in your profile page, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, tap on settings and privacy, and on the settings and privacy, scroll down and then tap on free up space, and here tap on clear and then tap on clear once again, and do the same for downloads as well. Now all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and if the issue is still there, then all you gotta do is open up your app store and then on the search bar simply type in TikTok, and now tap on the app and check to see if the app is up to date or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue, so a simple update might fix the issue. And once you do that, try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and then once it loads, tap on TikTok and then tap on upload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app. And once this process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that reinstall app, and once that process is complete, try again, and that should fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.